So finally, we can now edit slide decks natively inside of NotebookLM.
Google just added a feature to NotebookLM that turns you into a one-person design agency.
Well, sort of. So check this out. I'm inside this notebook. Over here on the right, I created this slide deck. And if you go ahead and open it up, of course, you can see the slides right here. But there's this brand new button right here that says Revise. If you go ahead and click on this,
there's now a Revise button on any AI-generated slide deck. Click it, type what you want fixed, swap a word, change a photo, rewrite a section. No design skills, no Canva, no PowerPoint. You can charge businesses $200, $500 per deck and deliver polished results using a free tool.
So bring up this menu right here where you can see each slide and describe down here in the box exactly what changes you want to make. For instance, for this slide, I want to change the word almanac to guide. So I'll tell it, change the word almanac to guide. And one thing to note about this is that you have to tell it all the changes you want to make.
But if you don't load your changes the right way, you're doubling your editing time.
New deck, it's going to save you a lot of time. So let's go ahead and look at the next slide, see if there's anything I want to change here. I can say something as simple as,
guys, I planned for a pretty long video packed with value, education, and real case studies, exactly the steps that we take and we teach our students to make real money. And you, my friend, haven't liked the video yet. May I ask why? Come on, give me some inspiration. Like this video, share with your friends and family, and make sure you subscribe to the channel. Switch on the notification bell button, because this is just the beginning. We upload a new training every single day, and you want to get notified by YouTube. And the only way to do that is to subscribe to our channel, and make sure you ask your friends and family to subscribe as well. And in this way, you also help us get 10,000 subscribers in next 90 days. So go ahead, like, share, and subscribe. Let's go.
Change the photo to black and white. For the next slide, I may say something like, okay, this one looks fine the way it is.
Don't fix one slide and hit generate. Go through every slide first. Swap a photo on slide 2. Change a word on slide 4. Add content on slide 5. Queue them all up. Pending changes show highlighted in blue. Then hit generate once. One click, all fixes, done.
This one right here, let's change sunrise to sunset. And then maybe for this slide, since it has to do with winter hiking, I'll tell it to make sure to talk about layering as well. All right, so we made all of our changes. We can see down here that there are now 4 pending changes.
Now what happens when you hit generate might surprise you.
So now what it's doing is it's generating a new slide deck based on the old one with the changes that you asked for. Now, this was a little bit surprising to me because I thought it would edit the existing slide deck, and certainly that would be a lot faster. And that's the way that it works with every other program like PowerPoint or Canva, for instance.
It doesn't edit your existing deck, it builds a brand new one with your changes baked in. Sounds slow, but the rebuild is way faster than the first generation. Seconds, not minutes. Results come out clean, accurate, and client ready.
But what I have noticed is that when you click regenerate and it creates a new slide deck like this, it goes a lot faster than the first time. You see, this one is already done, so it's really not that bad. It is much faster than the first generation. So this is now finished. Let's go ahead and take a look at it. All right, so these are the changes that we made, right? The Boulder Hiker's Guide instead of Almanac.
But there's one limitation that'll trip you up if you try to change the whole deck at once.
And creates a new version of them. Now, there are some limitations that I've noticed with this new feature. So here I've created a brand new slide deck all about how to juggle. And I like it, but I just don't like the style of it. Let's say I want it to be in like a chalkboard style instead.
Tell one slide to go chalkboard style, only that slide changes. The rest stay the same. NotebookLM doesn't apply changes globally. You go slide by slide. More clicks, but total control over every slide you deliver to a client.
Because that's a really cool look that I like. Well, what I've noticed is that you can apply a change to one slide and have it apply to the entire slide deck. Watch what happens if I tell it to...
Quick pause here. If what I'm sharing is making sense and you're thinking, okay, but how does this actually work in a real system? I've put together a free training that walks through the exact structure and process we use. It's not theory, it's a behind-the-scenes walkthrough of how the system is set up, how the pieces fit together, and how most of the heavy lifting is already handled, so you're not starting from zero. If you want to see how it's structured and decide for yourself if it's a good fit, the link is in the description. All right, let's jump back in.
Change this to chalkboard style on just one of the slides. Here we have the new slide deck, and if I open it up, you see it only changed the first slide. So if you want to make changes to all of the slides, you have to actually tell it.
Once your deck is perfect, you need to export it, but the export feature has a catch.
Changes. The other feature that Google added along with this update is the ability to export any presentation, any slide deck as a PowerPoint. So now when you open up any of the slide decks, you'll notice these three dots right here. You can of course download as a PDF, which was already there.
New option, download as PowerPoint or PDF. Google Slides export is coming soon. The catch, every slide is just an image. Can't edit text, can't move elements. NotebookLM generates slides as images using AI. Your deck needs to be perfect before you export.
And now they have the ability to download as a PowerPoint. Google has said that they are adding the ability to export to Google Slides soon, but that's not out as of the making of this video. Now, I don't have PowerPoint on my computer, but I do have Keynote, which is like Apple's equivalent. So I uploaded it into that. And what I noticed is that, as I sort of suspected, these are just images.
That's why the SLIDE workflow matters. Nail your revisions inside NotebookLM, and you never need to touch PowerPoint again. Whether you like this video or not, really hit the like button. You know why? Because I gave you the exact training for free that our paid members get. This video is going to be in the members area for the paid members, and you got it for free. So yes, don't you think I deserve a like? Go ahead, like it, share with your friends and family, subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. Make sure you switch on the notification bell button, and of course, ask your friends and family to subscribe and switch on the notification bell button. It's very important for us because we have a goal of getting 10,000 subscribers in next 3 months. And the only way we can do that is when you hit the subscribe button. Go ahead, do it. And for more money techniques, watch these videos and we will see you on the next one.